Hey Christopher, this is Josh from Josh and Dannys SEO, just shooting over that video about how you can improve your online presence. So just taking a look at your header, you got your logo here, you got all the different services you do, which is awesome. You got a click to call, which is even better. So when they get on your site, they see, hey, they do flooring, let me call them for flooring. They do what I'm looking for. And then of course, the contact us page, why you do what you do is to make them fall back in love with their home. Again, the different services and a link to the page, and then that's it. So as you can see, you do have a lot of stuff on your site. I don't see a lot of words though. You say what you do, but not really explaining where and the style services. So what Google is truly looking for nowadays is about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage so that you can explain exactly what you do and put buyer intent words throughout your site. Now, before I get into that side, let's check behind the scenes and see what's going on with your website. So the way we do that is with a system called Ahrefs. So what we're looking for is the UR rating and the DR rating. So as you can see, there's 0. And what the UR rating stands for is the strength of your website. And what the DR rating stands for is the trust Google places in your site. So ideally, we want these both to be in between 30 and 40 with the ratio of 1 to 1. That's what we call the golden ratio. Now, the way we get that is with your backlinks. Now, what a backlink is any link that leads from another website back to yours. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. For example, a backlink from Wikipedia would be an awful link because Wikipedia is a super spammy site. However, a backlink from a good flooring blog or a painting blog would be awesome because that's relevant to the services you provide. Now, another big thing are those organic keywords. What buyer intent words is Google ranking you for that you pop up when someone types in? So you're ranking for, it says 3, but you're actually only ranking for 1, which is Brown's Construction LLC. So you're not really ranking for any buyer intent word, so no one can find you. So let's check out what a great buyer intent word would be for your area. Oh, wait. All right. So the keyword we're going to be going for is the Hardwood Flooring Kansas City. That's just one of the better keywords for Kansas City. So first up is going to be your Google Guaranteed. These are the people that they went through an interesting process to get themselves on the top here. And as long as they keep answering their phones through these tracking numbers, they're going to stay at the top. But if they fall off, the next person comes in and it's just keep fighting for it. Then you're going to have your GMB. So super important to get on this because 30 to 40% of all people will pick one of these guys just because that's the first thing and the easiest thing to do. They are at the top, they must be good. Not necessarily true, but hey, that works. And then you're going to have your organic rankings. This is by strength of website. So your top person is going to be SVB Wood Floors. So let's check them out. Boop. And put them in. Out pops their website. They have a pretty good homepage. They got nice drop-down menus. They got their click-to-calls for both their different numbers. Then, of course, if you don't want to talk to somebody, book now so they can come out and tell you about everything. And then, of course, they're going to claim they're number 1 because why not? And then, as you can see, they're just explaining all their different services, which is awesome. They're getting all of it out on their homepage, which is great to rank for that. It's great to help them because they have a lot of content and they show Google that they're trying to be relevant for the services they're providing. All right, so let's check behind the scenes and also see why they are number 1. So we put their website in. As you can see, their UR, their strength is 33 and their trust is at 20. So they're doing pretty damn well for this. They're in the 30-40 for this guy, and then they're building their way up for the trust. And then, as you can see, they also have over 5,000 different backlinks, which kudos, good for them. That's what's helping them along getting that URDR. As well as they have 9,600 different organic keywords. Now, I wouldn't be intimidated by this. I'm going to be honest, most of these keywords are pretty useless. They have their own blog, so they're getting a lot of their keywords from their blog. So let's look at what keywords, what buyer intent words for your area, Kansas City, are they actually ranking for? So Hardwood Floor, Kansas City. They're in the second real position. 250 people are searching this a month. They're getting 38 people from that. Hardwood Floor Refinishing, 250 a month. They're in the second or third real position. They're getting 25 people from that. And as you can see, going down the line for these buyer intent words and they're ranking for them, they're getting that traffic. So if we're looking to get that traffic as well, first things first, we got to raise those backlinks. You saw how many they had. You want to get them for yourself. So you want to go over to their website because they're number one. You can be two. You want to take their backlinks, add them to yours, and then that'll help you raise that URDR rating over time in order to show Google that you're a strong and trustworthy site. As well as you want content. You want that 1,500, 2,000 words on your homepage and then 5 to 750 words on all of your service pages so that you can put buyer intent words throughout your site so Google can start ranking you for them. You put those two together, you should start seeing more organic traffic coming through your site and more calls through your website. Now, I hope you found this helpful, Christopher. If you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to reach back out to me. And if you can leave some feedback, that would be awesome.